Good evening everyone. Today we are going to discuss about most important points related to horticulture JRF or SRF about olive, about their botanies, harvesting, disorders, if any. Coming to botanical name of olive is Olea europea and family Oleaceae. Its origin is Asia Minor and type of fruit is single-seeded drupe. It is large evergreen shrub. And olive oil is rich in monosaturated fatty acids which increases the good cholesterol HDL and lowers the bad cholesterol known as LDL. And coming to per capita consumption, highest in Greece of 24 kgs and followed by Spain and Italy. Coming to the active principles in olive oil are oleic acid and linoleic acid about 70%. And coming to varieties, there are about 30 varieties has been cultivated. Among them there are different purpose based on different uses. Different has been developed for oil purpose and table purpose. For oil purpose, Picual, Ligno, Frantino, and coming to table purpose, Manzillo, Sevillano, Ascalano, Calmata. Coming to some varieties are other varieties suitable for landscaping are Swan Hill, Majesty, Beauty Lolly. These has attractive silver green foliage, evergreen, and require little water and maintenance. These varieties are suitable for landscaping. And fruit set percentage in olive is less than 5%. And there is no particular rootstock has been developed in olive. Cultivar oblonga is resistant to Verticillium wilt and used as rootstock in some areas. Coming to harvesting, there are different types of used like table purpose and oil purpose. For different purpose, there are different stages of harvesting. For table purpose, these are harvested when color changes from green to yellowish green when fruits are firm, which can be identified by exudation of white juice when squeezed. For black ripe, olives are produced in California. Fruits are harvested red color development. Coming to for oil purpose, they harvested when turns into black, which has maximum oil content. And one more important point is delayed in harvesting results in increase in acidic oils. As acidity increases with delayingness, if acidity increases, the oil quality will be decreases. It fetches lesser price and not suitable for human consumption. In milking is process indicating stripping of fruits with half open ends from the limbs to bags or nets in another method of harvesting. Coming to olive oil, it is most superior to other vegetable oils in terms of taste, nutrition and integrity. A tablespoon of olive oil contains 120 calories. It contains vitamin A, D, E, K and also most rich in vitamin A and beta carotene antioxidants properties. International Olive Oil Council is located at Madrid in Spain. In 1959 it has been formed. It controls the marketing of olive in world. There are different grades of olive oil: virgin oil, refined oil, blended oil, olive pomace oil or residue oil. In virgin oil, there are three different subgrades: extra virgin oil, fine virgin oil, ordinary olive oil. Coming to virgin oil, it is minimally processed, pure and unrefined oil extracted by cold pressing. Based on acidity and flavor, three subgrades has been divided. There are extra, fine and ordinary. Extra virgin oil This is highest grade of olive oil and having acidity percentage less than 0.8%. Fine virgin oil. This grade is often referred as just virgin olive oil and has acidity percentage less than 2.2%. Ordinary olive oil acidity percentage is 3.3%. In general virgin oils more than 3.3% above, it is termed as lampanate. Means its lampa is a Italian word indicating lamp. Because it is not suitable for human consumption, it is only suitable for industrial purpose if it is more than 3.3% of acidity. Next, refined oil. When virgin oil is refined by removing off flavors and odors by some other treatments, it is termed as refined oil, which has acidity percent less than 0.3%. Blended oil. It is simply called olive oil in markets and labeled as marketed as pure olive oil, and acidity percentage is less than 1%. Olive pomace oil or residue oil. This is extracted by chemical solvents from previously processed or pressed olive paste. The product which has been obtained from this is poor in quality. Thank you friends for watching. These are the most important points covered in olive, which are most important for competitive exams for JRF, SRF and NET exams. Follow our channel and subscribe. Please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.